Got some cookies in the oven. Whipping, whipping, whipping. I got my cookies in the oven. Finna push my bed.
Shut your bitch ass up.
What's up, vlog? Welcome back to another Zosh video. Today's video is gonna be unorthodox because, well,
Look at all those chickens.
bass guy. We at Ranlow's crib. I feel like Santa, cause I come bearing gifts. Right here, I have the brand new second gear I ordered for the transmission that I picked up actually my girl got me at the track like freaking months ago. And I'm finally getting this stuff worked so I can get Randy back his trans. So I got that gear, and I picked up this stuff right here, which is that is a bearing, and this is a I forgot what this is called. Forgot what it's called, but I need these three items to finish my trans. So let's finish this thing. Got a lot of shit. That's the one we're using. That has the speed sensor thing. This is a 4.7, which I'm selling if anyone needs. I got a 4.7, dog.
Wait, take it to Jason.
Why? Bro, we trust you now, bro. You got our you got our trust back, dog. You know what you're doing. You got it, bro.
Your motor might blow the next day, though.
Yeah, hey, you know what I'm saying? Well, I don't drive the car no more, so we should be straight.
Why?
I don't know, bro. We don't know what's going on, mate. So pay close attention to the man around the left. Transmission rebuilder. Hit him up. Port St. Lucie. Verified. Hey, bro, how much you charge for transmission rebuilds, bro?
Don't do this shit.
What if somebody had a B series, bro?
Oh, I do that.
How much for a B series transmission rebuild, bro?
I don't know.
That's a good ass price, bro. So hit him up. I don't know price.com, baby. Hey,
well, shit.
man, you look swole on camera, dog. Getting the counter shaft done. Man got his hands all on my shaft. My man. And it's going smooth,
Man,
too.
if Fred was here.
Bro, I already know Fred would have been violated.
Pause.
Fire. Yeah, fire for that.
Fire.
Fire. Yeah, I can't say shaft. Can't say. You gotta say granule. Can't wait to make the BFV go granule.
Granule.
Granule. You gotta replace the M with a G. The granule. You have a granule.
Yeah. I thought he said gal.
I gotta get me a new bonnet. Gotta get a bonnet. Putting the gearbox together. Counter shaft is complete. Alright, we still gotta press more stuff on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, at least we got the new second gear on. And that's the part number, in case you guys are wondering.
You gotta get a sleeve and hub for that one, so we ain't done.
Yeah. I gotta get.
You got a flathead?
Randy, you gotta put more force on it, bro. Stick it down there harder, dog. Randy, you gotta go harder. Beat it harder.
Yo, fix up in the moat, man.
Hey, what's up, Fred?
I gotta keep up now, but
I'm telling this man he gotta put more force on it so it can smash down, but he ain't smashing it properly.
yo, these are real fish, dog.
Why?
These are real fish. I'm telling you, yo. Fix up on them.
Hey, Fred bad now.
He hung up on me twice. Damn, Fred, I thought we were boys, dog.
Yo,
You my mans, bro.
Whoa. First off, I'm nobody man. Alright?
You my man, bro. That's from the heart, dog.
No, we are homies, we're good friends. I'm not your man. Coming out at night time.
Whoa, Fred, bro. Viewer discretion is advised.
If you ask questions, you'll get out of the wall to rotted when they want to come style up on dog.
Yeah, bad man.
Bad man.
When they play with Tranny, yo.
So?
Gearbox. This is gear.
Alright, good. Teeth.
I play with trannies. I'm the tranny man.
These are fish.
Kingfish. I like tuna fish.
Yeah, man.
I like when it melts in your mouth, though.
Yo.
I just play. I just
keep on my daytime, dog.
I'm just playing, man. But have you ever had like those biscuits that melt when you that?
Yo, later, man. We're going to me yard, dog. Come on, what my boy keep up, dog.
And Alright, so we got everything pretty much cleaned up. All we have to do now is, well, I gotta order a 3rd and 4th hub and sleeve, and that's it. 3rd and 4th?
3rd and 4th.
And then
6 food fine. I mean, if you want to get one, you can get one. But you're not getting your cheap ass, you can get one.
super facts. I'm in the struggle, dog. I'm broke. Who rich? Not me. Now we don't upload for 5 days. You two don't like that shit at all. We're the hoes, YouTube is the pimp. The people that have sex with us just complain, even though they get it for free. Super facts. So I only have 5 minutes and 45 seconds filmed the footage. So I guess I'm gonna vlog more today of my boring life. I want to give a huge shout out to Neo Garage and Frank Downstar for my titanium bolts, and I'm gonna put these into the sparkle wheel. And then today we might go pick up a laptop because I need a laptop to edit on, and I need Miss Esmeralda to clean my room. Wow, I broke my no face, no case rule. It doesn't matter, we broke up like 3 weeks ago. So we just homies.
That's true. I don't know why he's laughing.
What?
Huh?
Hey, just know your boy still RSVP in the cheeks. What you gonna do? Throw it at me? I'll beat you. So right now we're gonna go get some dinner and head to Walmart or Best Buy to look at some laptops so I can find maybe a laptop to get today. So what are we gonna eat for food? Bless you. What are we eating?
Beatles.
Bitters. I want some bitters. Shabuta butter Peter.
I'm getting sick.
Shabata butter. Shabita powder Peter. Shabuta butter. Yeah. Oh shit. Girl, I know how to drive.
No, you don't.
That's how we are. That's how we drive in the hood.
You from the hood?
Yup. Coilovers. Hey, be quiet, I'm vlogging. Hit me again. I'm finna Chris Brown your ass right here in Walmart. You playing with you must have with a real one. Winner. Yeet. Winner. Whoa. Do it again. Oh, no, you gotta go. Yeah, you gonna have to. No, you gonna have to go. I don't really see anything. Everything that I do see that are nice are Chromebooks, and I do not want a Chromebook because those suck. So,
Yep.
this one's nice, man, but it's a damn Chromebook. Look how big this thing is. It's a damn Chromebook.
It matters?
Yeah, Chromebooks, you can't download stuff.
Well, duh, but like, you're editing?
Yes, I can't download the editing software. Yeah, I can't really find anything. I kind of like this one, though. But I don't know all the stuff on it. It's a 4 gigabyte
It's
RAM.
touchscreen.
It does say 1 million pixels to tap, swipe, and
Oh,
tap.
I didn't read that.
You stupid ass. Best Buy. Wanna see what we can find at Best Buy? So, I'm inside of Best Buy and everything is godly expensive. Like, my budget's only 300 bucks because I'm not rich, nor YouTube rich. So, I'm trying to see what I can work with because I got the trip in IBOC. Like, right after IBOC in Orlando. So, I'm trying to get something to edit while I'm on the road. So, I might end up getting a MacBook, bro. For cheap. Marketplace, they use them like in 2010 or 12 for like 300, maybe 250 if I can negotiate, lowball, do what I do best. And yeah, so I'm hungry, so we're just gonna go get some beat ups for now. It's been a minute, but we are live in effect at Buffalo Wild Wings, and your boy got Mango Habanero. Speaking of which, Mango Habanero Boys slap stickers are now available on the website at zoshmfg.com. I haven't designed the Cheek City stuff yet for shirts, so yeah. And yeah, I guess that's a quick little overview. I guess I don't know how to vlog. I haven't did a normal vlog in my life in like years. It's always car related. Actually, this vlog's a little bit car related, but yeah. my vlog.
What?
You look 12. Oh, you don't care no more? How old you is? 20. Wow. I'm not a pedophile. I'm not R. Kellyan out here. She's 20. I'm 23. That's good. Even though she looks 6.
I do not look 6.
What?
I look my age. People just be over exaggerating. That wasn't some of
Chick City. So this is what your Benoy got. Ooh, this all-American cheeseburger, playboy. And I got me traditional small or snack. Traditional snack. Mango habanero all flats. Y'all know the dealio. Time to grub. That's how you dance?
Yeah.
You driving home? Then what the hell are you? Give my keys. Oh, shit. Break it down, girl.
No, there's a car.
You open my door like I'm a. What kind of shit is that? Thanks, sweetie. You did great. Damn.
You'll spit.
Ooh, you'll spit. I got a gap tooth. Girl, you look like a crackhead. You saw she open my door and open her door? You break my door, I'm gonna break my foot off of your ass. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to close out today's vlog. Hit the wall, hit the wall, whoa, whoa, whoa.
That was a wall, right?
That was a hell no. Thank y'all for watching the vlog. Just a normal day vlog. Get out of my room. Where you stop?
I ain't getting out.
What you trying to do? You trying to go?
No. I don't know why you keep lying to these people.
How I look on camera? Black? Oh God.
You look like a Hershey bar.
You're racist. Thank you for watching today's video. I gotta get this video uploaded before 1 o'clock or 12. Something. It's been too long since I uploaded. So, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, thumbs up. If you didn't, dislike it. Do what you gotta do. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.